For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the text of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. Starting a bed and breakfast can be both a rewarding and profitable venture. The charm of offering guests a personal, home-like stay makes this business model attractive in the hospitality industry. With the rise of free AI tools, it's now easier and less expensive to turn your dream of running a B&B into reality. From researching your market to managing bookings and marketing, AI can support you each step of the way. Here's a step-by-step guide to starting a bed and breakfast business using free AI tools. Step 1. Define your concept and target audience. Start by deciding what kind of experience you want to offer. Will your B&B focus on romantic getaways, ecotourism, pet-friendly stays, or perhaps a historical theme? Defining your concept will help you stand out and attract the right kind of guests. Use ChatGPT to help you brainstorm your theme and target audience. You can try a prompt like, "Give me 5 creative bed and breakfast concepts with unique themes and describe the ideal target customers for each." ChatGPT can also simulate market research by helping you explore guest preferences in your area. Try, "What do travelers typically look for in a bed and breakfast in Asheville, North Carolina?" Step 2. Write a business plan using AI. A solid business plan outlines your goals, costs, revenue model, and operation strategy. This is essential for keeping your vision focused and securing financing if needed. Use ChatGPT to create your business plan by giving it this prompt. Write a complete business plan for a small bed and breakfast located in your city, including market analysis, startup costs, operations plan, and financial projections. You can also use Notion AI or Google Gemini, both offer free versions, to help organize the sections and generate financial estimate tables. Step 3. Analyze legal requirements and choose a location. You'll need to comply with zoning laws, business licenses, fire safety regulations, and possibly food handling certifications. Claude AI or ChatGPT can help you understand these. Try this prompt. "What licenses, permits, and regulations do I need to open a bed and breakfast in your location?" If you don't already own a suitable property, use free tools like Google Maps combined with ChatGPT to evaluate potential locations. Prompt example. Based on tourism trends and proximity to attractions, what are good areas in city to open a bed and breakfast? Step 4. Design the guest experience and renovation plan. Once you have your property, think about layout, guest rooms, decor, amenities, and communal spaces. Use AI image generation tools like Ideogram or Canva's AI interior design assistant to visualize ideas for rooms and decor based on your theme. Ask ChatGPT. Create a detailed guest experience plan for a coastal-themed bed and breakfast, including room setup, check-in process, and unique guest amenities. For renovation planning, use Microsoft Designer or RoomGPT, a free AI-powered room planner, to generate before and after visual ideas. Step 5. Name your B&B and create a brand identity. Branding makes your business memorable. Use Namelix, a free AI-powered business name generator, to come up with brand name ideas. Try a prompt like, "Generate elegant and welcoming names for a countryside bed and breakfast." Use Canva's free AI logo generator to design a logo and brand kit, including font and color suggestions. You can also use ChatGPT to write a brand mission statement. Write a warm and inviting mission statement for a romantic bed and breakfast in the Blue Ridge Mountains. Step 6. Build a website and online presence using AI. A website is critical for booking and credibility. Use free tools like Wix's AI Website Builder or Durable AI to build your B&B website. These tools ask you questions about your business and then generate a complete website with text and layout. To create content, ask ChatGPT. Write homepage and about page text for a rustic-themed bed and breakfast located in Vermont. You can also use it for writing blog posts to boost SEO. Write a blog post titled Top 5 Romantic Activities Near Our Bed and Breakfast in Sita. Step 7. Set up booking and management systems. You'll need to manage room availability, pricing, and guest communication. Free versions of tools like Logify or Tokeet offer basic property management features. For automation and message handling, Zapier's free tier allows you to link email, calendar, and messaging tools. Use ChatGPT to help you write templates for confirmations and check-in messages. Example prompt. Create a friendly booking confirmation email for a bed and breakfast, including check-in time and breakfast details. Step 8. Create a marketing plan using AI. To attract guests, you need a marketing strategy that covers social media, email, SEO, and local partnerships. Use ChatGPT to generate a full plan with this prompt. Write a 30-day marketing plan to promote a new bed and breakfast using free or low-cost methods. Use Canva's AI tools to create promotional images and Instagram content. For social media post ideas, try generate 15 Instagram post ideas for a cozy bed and breakfast near a national park. MailChimp offers a free plan for email marketing. Ask ChatGPT to help write a welcome email series. Create a 3-part email welcome series for new subscribers to a bed and breakfast newsletter. Step 9. List on booking platforms and collect reviews. In addition to direct bookings, list your B&B on platforms like Airbnb, Booking.com, and Google Hotels. Use ChatGPT to write listing descriptions. Write a compelling Airbnb listing description for a lakeside bed and breakfast with 3 guest rooms and homemade breakfast included. Prompt ChatGPT to simulate guest FAQs and help you write responses. List 10 common guest questions for a B&B and provide friendly, informative responses. Once you have guests, use SurveyMonkey's free tools or Google Forms to collect feedback. Analyze this with ChatGPT. Summarize guest survey responses and suggest 3 ways to improve the experience. Conclusion. With the right tools and creative energy, starting a bed and breakfast business no longer requires a big team or hefty budget. Free AI tools can help you generate ideas, plan your operations, market your business, and build a strong online presence, all from scratch. By combining your unique vision with the power of artificial intelligence, you can create a welcoming, professional, and successful bed and breakfast experience for travelers seeking a personal touch. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.